Now, the next part it talks about is how the Pi wallet it can be integrated into a native wallet, right, on your phone, right? So what I'm expecting this to be is an actual Pi application for the Pi wallet, right? That will be able to download and be on your phone. So we won't actually go through the Pi browser, right? So, and it'll probably end up looking pretty well the same as what we've got. I fully expect that, but instead of being through the browser, it'll be a native application, right? So that'll be cool. On Pi 2 Day, we saw how under the migrations tab, our migrations were moved and they were put under the new lockup button, right? But what this means is that the migration tab is now free, right? So, they've obviously freed this up for some reason, right? So what would the migrations tab now become? Well, what I suspect is this will become a tokens and NFT place, right? When we start minting tokens and start minting NFTs, like you see on PCM's PyNFT.art website, the NFTs minted there are only minted virtually. They're not actually minted on the blockchain yet. So once we get the functionality to create user application tokens and NFTs and all that, they'll be on the blockchain, and I suspect here that's what the wallet upgrade will be, right? We'll start to see a tokens tab, right, where we'll have our tokens and all the NFTs that we purchase listed underneath, right? So that'll be a great upgrade. Also, if you look at other web wallets like MetaMask and things like that, right, they have a browser functionality so that you can connect to URLs and then connect your wallet, right? So I expect that we'd probably get some sort of button to be able to do this. And, so if you click on it, right, you'll be able to type in a URL, you'll, type it in, you go off to a website, right, and then it'll ask you to connect your wallet, right? So you connect your wallet, you select your network, select your wallet, right? Now you're connected, right? Now you can start to do token swaps or whatever you want to do, right? Now, this isn't just for DeFi, right? So we'll be able to make payments this way as well by going to other websites. So you might see something like Amazon, right? They might end up having, the old Pay with Pi button Nicholas talked about in previous videos, right? And he specifically said Amazon, so maybe that might be the first one we get, which would be fantastic. So you will see things like this to connect your wallet there, maybe YouTube to do, to pay for their premium services or get creator payments as well. You'll be able to book flights, right, book hotels, right, and, even X or any other social fi, you might be able to connect your wallet through there, right? So there's all these really nice things that that will come through the use of a native application wallet on our phones.